Hey guys, welcome to my video of the unboxing wall clipper 5-star icon. So this is the icon 5-star. It has a V9000 instead of the V5000. It's an upgrade, so it runs a little cooler and it doesn't get hot as fast or stays cooler longer, I guess. Haven't tried it, but I'll give you an update. Next time I'll cut the some clients' hair on it. Plus, I did modify the blade with my Wahl 5-star senior with the fade blade. So, and on the inside, you'll probably get the usual comb, guards 1 through 8, the little brush, and the oil, the little bottle of oil. So here it goes. Here's the comb, the manual, the instruction manual, and that's probably the warranty card. And the guards 1 through 8. Got probably a left ear taper, right ear taper, guards, and here's the clipper itself. Has the red guard clipper, I guess, which no one uses. But I do, just in case. So inspect it closer, see if it has cracked or defects on the clipper. The clipper came with the blade misaligned, so I had to align it, probably zero gapped it. But then I decided to switch the blade from my 5 wall senior to this wall icon and see how it goes, see how it cuts with on the client's head. Because I don't think I don't this wall is not made in US, but it's it's outsourced in China, so I don't know about the quality. It's really different from my Wall Senior 5-star. So, well, that's the unboxing. Please subscribe and like this video. Thank you.